One of the most common fixes for troubleshooting a TV is to do a reset. A factory reset is also known as a hard reset or master reset, and it can be used to solve a variety of problems with your TV. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Panasonic Smart TV. My suggestion before going through a factory reset is to do a soft reset first. It'll minimize the impact of the process and allow you to save any data on your TV set. To perform a soft reset on your TV, simply unplug it from the wall outlet, and after about 60 seconds, you can plug it back in. Now make sure you are patient here and wait the whole 60 seconds. This will solve most of your problems. If that doesn't take care of your problem, then you can go on with the factory reset. This will basically restore your TV to the way that it was when you bought it, and all your settings and downloaded apps will be removed. Okay, the first thing you want to do the reset is to press the menu button, then go to Setup, then go to System, and then go to Factory Defaults. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.